Today we'll be installing a Purrfect Portal cat door and a standard interior door. We pulled out the hinge screws so we can pull the door down and work on it. Here's a quick before shot of the door we'll be working on. Let's see what we have in the box. Looks like we got the cat door, there's a template, some screws and caps, and the instructions should be here somewhere. We need to measure and find the center point of the door. And now we just need to cut out the template. Now we're taping the template down using the center line on the template and the mark we put in the center of the door. Next, just trace the template. Then we'll use a jigsaw to cut out the opening. Place the cat door archway in the cutout, making sure it's flush against the bottom of the door. Secure it using 3 of the provided screws. Finish this side by putting the covers over the screws. You'll need to flip the door over to work on the other side. You'll want to put the archway that contains the cat door in the opening, making sure it's flush with the bottom of the door. Just like the other side, you'll use the 3 screws to secure the archway and then snap in the provided covers. This catch has adhesive on the back, allowing you to stick it to the door to find the right location before putting the screw in. We've got the door back on the hinges. Everything seems to fit pretty good. The cat door is held open secure. You can close it and latch it when you don't want the cats coming in and out. Everything seems to work great. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please post them below.